Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. So I'm doing another vlog today, and I actually wasn't planning on posting this vlog as soon as I am, but I have another video that's completely done and I'm waiting on something for it. I thought I'm gonna vlog right now and I'm gonna film as much footage as I can, and hopefully I will have enough for a video. So anyways, it is Friday and I'm about to pack. We're going away for the weekend and I'm so excited. It's like the first summer weekend of the year, so I'm really pumped. And I did my nails last night. I do have a tutorial for how to do a gel manicure at home, and I did white obviously. I did on my toes too, and I fake tanned this morning. I haven't washed it off, so I feel like my face is not as tan as my body, but it won't be like super duper dark. Well, actually, hopefully it will be dark, but it won't be like as dark as it is right now. It's still like developing. It's only been on a few hours, so I thought I'd pack with you guys and chit chat a little bit, and I'm running a little late, so let's start packing. So here are the legs we got for the kitchen island that we're making, and we found these plans on Pinterest. I will link them down below. We bought these on Amazon. I also will link them, and they're upside down right now, so hopefully you guys can use your imagination to flip them around. And they are massive, like so much larger than I thought they were. Here's my hand for reference. It fits around like half of it. And I just think it has like a restoration hardware. I don't even know if that's the store I'm thinking of, but I know I saw an island online for like $4,000. It's not something I would spend money on, or like spend that much money on. And it has like a very similar look to that, so I cannot wait to see the finished product. I'm also going to be using a weekend bag for the first time that I bought a few months ago. It's so cute. I'll show it to you. Okay, so I'm going to use this one for the leg. It just has like a watermelon on it, and the tassel is really cute. And then here's the weekend bag. And let me put this on my bed. I feel like it'll be so much easier to show you in there. Okay. So it's like a slouchy bag. It doesn't really have like a shape to it, but if it's full, it has a shape. And it does have a strap on the inside of it that is still wrapped up because I bought this in the winter time from a Marshall's. It was only like, how much was it? I think it was like $30 or something, but so cute and so pretty for like weekend trips in the summer. And then on the inside, or actually no, it has a tag right here. How much was it? This was $25, so a little less than 30 with tax. I can't remember, or I can't believe I remembered that. And then on the inside it says "Have fun, okay?" and that's the brand. If I can find it, I will link it. And I just think it's so cute. Here's the bottom, like shiny and gold. The inside is white, and then yeah, I'm gonna put the strap on there and show you guys what I'm packing. It's so much easier having you guys on here so I can pack while I talk to you, because I'm always running late. But anyways, my husband's family has a cabin on a lake. Okay, first of all, what do you guys think a cabin is? Because I always thought if it's on a lake, it's a cottage, and if it's in the wood and there's no lake, it's a cabin. But it's on a lake and they call it a cabin, and we're going there for the weekend, and we spend a lot of time there in the summertime, and it's the first like summer weekend, so we are very excited to see everyone and just hang out. So it's gonna be like really fun family time and just relaxation, and I don't even really know what to pack. I love these shorts. They're from Levi's, and I actually feel like they make your legs look skinnier because they are like a little longer in the front, so I feel like it kind of like slims you down. And then I'm just wearing a tank top from Target. Nothing fancy because I'm going to be sitting in the car for like 4 hours. Probably a little longer because I'm sure there will be a ton of traffic since it's a holiday weekend. Oh shoot, I left some clothes in the washing machine and I didn't flip it. Someone commented and asked if I would ever film a makeup video on my channel, and I don't know if anyone would watch that for me because obviously I'm not like a makeup person, but I grabbed my foundation to show it to you guys because this is seriously the best foundation I think I've ever used. It makes your skin look flawless, like so good. It's by NARS. It's the Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. The shade I wear is Vienna. I would say it is like a little light for me. When I run out of this, I might go a shade darker. It looks pretty dark on camera because it's not super bright in here, but you guys should try this. I think you can get free samples from Sephora too, so since it is pricey, I think it's $49. I would first get a sample to see if it works with your skin, but if your skin is combo, it's the best. This sweater from Target, I hope they still have it, you guys. This is like the cutest sweater ever. I love this so much. It has ties on the side. I posted a few photos on Instagram wearing it. I love this sweater so much. I think it's really cute. and it comes in a black and white too, but I wouldn't get that one. I love the lavender though. It's starting to get full so you guys can see the shape a little bit better, but isn't that so cute for the weekends and summertime? That's what the other side looks like. I just need to put on this big strap. Okay, so here it is with that big strap. I'm so excited to finally use this. I literally bought this when there was like several feet of snow on the ground, so I've been waiting a long time. Alexa, lights off in the bedroom. Okay, I'm gonna make lunch real quick and I'm gonna show you guys the best salad mix ever. I've been eating it so much lately. Here's the salad kit I've been loving lately. It's by Earthbound Farm. It's organic, Southwest style. It's a chopped salad kit. We buy a lot of these kits because it's just so much easier, especially for only one person. It only takes like a few minutes to put it all together, and I'm going to put some meat on it, probably some chicken and like some cheese, and bulk it up a little, but it's really, really good. It's not like super pretty and attractive looking, but this is the salad mix that I just showed you guys. And then some taco meat that we really need to get rid of, and some pepper jack cheese, and I just mix it all together so it's just like a taco salad. Oh, it does have some tortilla strips in there as well, so I think that's pretty good for like 3 minutes. Hi guys, so today's Friday. I have a kitchen island update for you. I'm dying, you guys. It is so cool. It's not done yet or anything, but it's all put together, so I'm going to show you where we're at and what we're going to do. And here it is, you guys. I'm just extremely happy with it. It only went together in like a few hours, so it really wasn't a major project for Chad to put together. But the only thing I will tell you is I will have the blog post that I found on Pinterest on how to do this. That will be in the description box of this video, but we ordered the same legs that were linked in her post, and they ended up being slightly larger than what she said they were. I don't know if the seller, like, they obviously aren't selling the same thing anymore, so just make sure when you purchase them that they are the right size, because we did run into some problems and have to redo a couple things because of that, but it wasn't a big deal. It honestly went together in like a couple hours, so I'm really happy with it, and it's not finished like I said. We still need the shelf for the bottom. It just has the supports, obviously, so that has to go in, and then we're going to paint these. It's going to be the same color as these cabinets, which you guys have seen a million times, so that's the same color that the whole base will be. And then we ordered a wood top for the top of it. We just had this sitting outside, so we just put it on to see what it's going to look like with the counter, but it's going to be like similar to this guy really, and it's just going to be over the whole thing. You guys, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to have like some baskets under here and have it all set up and ready to go. Hey guys, so today's Wednesday and a new video is up on my channel today. It's a decorate with me for the front entry. I wasn't sure what you guys would think, but it seems like a lot of you are really liking it, so that makes me so happy. If you have not seen it, definitely check it out. And I was up really late finishing that video and scheduling it for this morning, so as soon as I woke up today, I was like really out of it. I couldn't figure out what day of the week it was. Like, it took me a good like 15 seconds to even figure that out, which is weird because I was just so tired. Anyways, I'm rambling, but I have been seeing requests for a makeup video, and obviously I'm not like a makeup channel. I feel like no one would watch a makeup video from me, but I have been seeing your requests, and I said I would talk about it in a vlog. So I ordered a few new products that I want to share with you guys real quick. Several of these products I bought online from ColourPop, and a few are from the drugstore. And I'm going to share like the everyday full coverage look I do in a vlog soon. But I wanted to test out a few products I've been hearing about. I've heard that they are like really great affordable alternatives to high-end products, so I wanted to see what I thought. And I brought this over here. I've had this for a while, obviously. It's like so dirty at the top because I used to wear this one from Essence. They have affordable mascaras from the drugstore that are so cheap, you guys, and they're really good. So I wanted to test this out again because I couldn't remember which one I liked a little more than the other. And don't buy this one for sure. This is the best one because this guy rubs off on my lids and I have to like wipe it off throughout the day. And this one is very thickening and lengthening, and this one is not thickening, but it is lengthening. And then from e.l.f. So I really wanted it's the ambient powder from Hourglass. It's like a Sephora high-end brand, but it's like 3 shades and it's $66. So I was like, don't be so extra. Like, see if you can find something affordable, because $66 is just a ton of money for a makeup product. And all I really wanted was something that was very brightening and illuminating for the under eyes and for like the middle of the forehead. So I've been wearing this shade and I really like it, but I want to wear it for a few more days before I like fully recommend this to you and feature it in a video. I haven't really been wearing these so much. I wear that one time, but yeah, I really want to like fully test that out. So far I like it. It's only $6. These are actually way brighter in the tube than they are on your face, so I know that's like scary bright, but they have a ton of shade options, and they're only $6, so I wanted to try a few. I did get a darker one just for like spots and hyperpigmentation and scarring and stuff, so I don't have to wear like full coverage foundation on a lot of days. And I did get 3 shades because since I purchased it online, I really wasn't sure, but I've only worn them for one day and I really like those so far. One of my favorite products to wear on my lower lash line is from NYX, and it's like a brightening pencil, so I wanted to see if this one will work as well because it's a twist out and the one from NYX is a sharpen pencil. And then the last thing I got from ColourPop is a Super Shock shadow. And here's what it looks like, you guys. So it's just like a rose gold pink color. I wear a ton of rose gold and like pinky makeups. Obviously I have that on my nails. Oops. And one more thing, I realized I didn't pull this lip gloss out of the packaging, but it's one of their new ones and the shade is pretty in. I love like a ruby pink color, so this is really right up my alley. One of you guys just commented on Instagram asking about this bag and asking if I've had like problems with it or anything, and it's been amazing. I haven't had a single problem. She said she's heard some pretty bad things about it, but when I was researching it, it had really positive reviews. I didn't find anything that was bad, and it's not something I wear on an everyday basis. I probably use this like 1 to 3 times a week, and it did get a little wet in the rain one time, and it doesn't have a mark on it or anything like that. I feel like it looks a little lighter on camera than it actually is in person. And yeah, I really don't have like a single thing I could say that's bad about it. I love it. I recommend it. I did an unboxing if you're new to my channel, so I will link that down below, and I also will link the handbag. Hi guys, so today is Saturday and I'm about to film an organizational video, but I just realized I haven't finished this vlog. I haven't shown you guys the kitchen island. You can see a little sneak peek right there. And I went to HomeGoods this morning to pick up some things for my next video. And a few of you have already asked if I would do a haul because I shared it on Instagram story, or I shared that I went there. So I thought I'd just throw that in this video, but I'm wearing a new foundation today. It's a Laura Mercier. It's like the Ultra something like Flawless Longwear foundation, and I really like it so far. I think it's probably like a favorite, or it will be a favorite, but it is sort of like sinking in my smile line, so I'm thinking I have to like figure out what primer will work and make it not do that, because I already had to like fix it a few times while it is setting. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys a couple things and show you the island. So the first thing is a spoon rest, and we've actually been looking for one for a long time, but I haven't found a solid white one. I just wanted something simple because it's not like something that I just want to like stick out and be a focal point. And of course it was from HomeGoods and it was only $4, so I think that is a really good deal. And then I also found this huge thing that I'm going to feature in an upcoming video. And then I got some hangers. And hangers are seriously like hair ties because I lose them all the time, and I feel like we always need hangers. So this is a pack of 25 and it was on sale for $10, so I think that is a pretty good deal. For an upcoming video, I purchased a basket and some dowels, and you guys will see what I do with those in that video. And then a few makeup products, and everything is by Milani except for one of these because it was like $1, so I had to try it. And I saw these on Instagram and they look so shiny, and you guys know I love shiny lip glosses, so I really wanted to pick them up and I'm loving them so far, you guys. So the shades that I have are 6 and 10, and right now I'm wearing this one. I thought it'd be like way brighter, but it's not like super duper bright. I still really like it though. They're like very pigmented, and they are from the drugstore, so they are less than $10 each. And then I also picked up one of their lip liners as well because I asked you guys what you recommend for lip liners, and a lot of you said these were really good. And here is the finished island, you guys. I'm just so happy with it. And I'll show you up close what everything looks like. And I love these legs. Again, they're like so big. You guys can see like a size comparison. That's my hand, so they're really big and chunky. And we got the top from Home Depot. We've just been putting a lot of this on. It comes as like an unfinished piece, so you just have to do like a lot of this stuff. and I just think it looks so pretty. And then I'm thinking I will put like 3 baskets underneath here. If you guys have any ideas, then let me know, but I'm thinking like 3 higher baskets, and then hopefully I can find ones with handles that are sort of like this, or like have some copper or some rose gold on them, just so everything like fits together really well and ties in. But that's the final reveal, and I just can't wait to use it. And I just feel like we like really needed something like this, so I'm really excited to see what we do with it and what I put under there. But again, if you guys have ideas, please let me know, because the only thing I've thought of is like a few baskets down there. And that's all for today's vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to check this out, I will have a bunch of info in the description box. If this is your first time on my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be back in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!